This is super, super, you know what I'm gonna say, cute. How can you not say cute? Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it. Hi everyone, welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I have a style to show for you from Paula Young. This is a comparison with the one on my head. This is Ashby, and she is in the color Spun Gold, and in the box I have SF1228 Honey. I do have a previous review of Spun Gold. I'm gonna link that over here. Remember, you can also expand the description box below, and then you can click on the links that I have down there. I also have links to my Amazon storefront, which shows you all of the products that I have that I use that I show you in my videos. If you are interested in Ashby or any other wigs at Paula Young, visit paulayoung.com. Use my discount code BBH20 and you're gonna save 20% off of each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance, and you get to use that every single time you shop. A number of you may ask me how this compares to Vanilla Swirl. I do think it is a warmer tone than Vanilla Swirl, and I did a comparison quite a while ago, and I will link that here so you can see that color comparison video. So the Spun Gold color code is 22613S8. So your 22 is gonna be your light blonde. Your 613 is that golden blonde shade that you see in the color Golden Lights. And 8 is gonna be your medium brown root, and that is running throughout the wig. I did a hair mail unboxing where I showed you Ashby in Honey. I did not do anything else to it. I will link that video here for you. And again, you can expand the description box. But I wanted to just take it out, unbox it, do a proper review, and just show you the comparison with Spun Gold so you can see the color differences. So the inside of her cap is your basic cap. We do have an extended front here with the soft belt. You do have this lace covered wefts, the open ear tabs, there's a bendy stay. We do not have an extended nape. We do have the Velcro adjusters, and we do have some stretch. I shook her a little bit, so you have the crisscross kind of got messed up, but you can see this cute little bob. Let's put it on. All right, let's just brush her into place. So I'm gonna put up her stock photo here, her measurements here. Of course, the stock photo is the Spun Gold, but we're just comparing the style. And I'll spin around. I like this inverted cut. And then we sort of have the feathered ends a little bit, or razored ends. It's really cute. As far as coverage, this one I feel like runs a little bit smaller than other ones that I have reviewed, just so that you know. Now I still have good coverage coming over here, but I don't think that this is gonna fit a larger head. I am 22 3/4 inch around, and that just fits me. Now this is made of those Whisper Light fibers, so it is super soft and lightweight. Those fibers are half the width of the traditional fibers. They're your Canaclon fibers, but they are half the width. And it's only 2.9 ounces, so it's very lightweight. I wanted to just show you with a sweater because it's nice when you're off of your shoulders, because with synthetic wigs, when you have longer wigs, and they are rubbing up against your tops or your clothing, that's friction. And that can cause those ends to get a little bit rough or clumpy where it almost looks like it's split ends. You can repair those ends with steam, but it does take a little bit of work and you do need to be careful. All right, so let's zhuzh her up a little bit. I'm gonna start with some water, and that just kind of helps to loosen up the fibers. And if there's any permatease, we'll loosen that up and we'll pull that away from the cap, the fibers away from that. I like to kind of flip in all directions, not just the way that the part comes. So this is right. So you can absolutely do that. And then this is left. Let's just get a little bit more in there. This is a pretty low density style. I am really not even feeling any permatease. We have a little bit of box hair there. So I just want to kind of wet that a little bit and see if I can straighten that down just a little bit. I could use a hot air brush on that if I wanted to, just on that medium heat. So I really don't have a lot of permatease to activate in this one. So I'm gonna do the left part, and I am just going to lift those fibers up and over. See, I don't even think you see any permatease. I mean, if you do, it's pretty minimal. I do want to let you know that this wig is available in 22 colors. So that is nice. You have a lot of color choices. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of dry shampoo. I don't find that it's overly shiny, but if you feel like there's shiny, a little dry shampoo just kind of helps to tamp that down. And because I buy the sort of light brown colors, I use the light brown tinted Batiste is my favorite brand. And again, I have that in my Amazon storefront. If you expand the description box, you can see all of the products that I use are in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna do just a little bit of the L'Oreal Root Spray, light golden brown, right along the part line. And then I might do another section up here and maybe one more section here. This one little piece here wants to kind of come in, and I know that that is the style, that's how it's made, but I didn't know if it's quite evening with this other side. I'm gonna actually wet that and use my hot air brush. Hold on a sec. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna wet that. And then I'm gonna use my hot air brush to kind of bring that down just a little bit, and just on the medium setting. Okay, I think that's better. That's all it takes, is just a little bit, just a little bit. All right, so this one I'm gonna have to actually add my own permatease because it's so low density. So to get my style, I'm gonna use a little wig wax, and I'm just showing you how I would wear it like for my work day. And that's what I encourage you to do as well. Style your wigs the way you feel comfortable, what makes you feel confident, and how you would wear it. It's your hair. And I probably do a little ear tuck. I like to kind of keep a little bit out in front. Poof this up a little. This is super, super, you know what I'm gonna say, cute. How can you not say cute? Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it. I gotta see the back now that I poofed a little bit and fixed that little spot. Yeah, that's better. It's still coming forward a little bit, so you could do it down a little bit, but I think it's a lot better. It's cute. I really like the profile of it. I like how we have a little height at the crown. Isn't that fun? At the end of the video, I will do a side-by-side color comparison of Honey and Spun Gold so that you can see for reference. Although Ashby is a short style, you still could do a few styling options with her. I think you could absolutely do like a little half up. And let's just try that here. And I would just like twist it. Wow! That's really cute. You could put the side back with like a barrette. Keep some of it forward. You know, poof a little bit of this up a little bit more, like if you were going out. Of course, wearing glasses is not a problem with our wigs. We just put it right in. I just kind of go right above my ear, kind of right under the wig. Put it on your head like when you're walking into the store. And then that helps if it's windy, it kind of just holds the hair back a little bit, which is kind of nice. You could do like a couple little fun twists. So I would kind of start here on the side and add your claw clip. Just those little ones I get at the Dollar Tree. Those are so nice. And kind of take part of it here, twist up, and add a clip. And we'll even do another one here on this side. Twist and clip. And then if you wanted to kind of fluff some of that up a little bit, you can always do your own back combing, you know. Or as I like to call it, your own permatease. Take a little bit of your wig wax. That's kind of a fun and youthful look. What do you think? Wow! Get a little flirty, a little fun. I also want to remind you that when you're shopping at Paula Young, be sure to use my discount code BBH20. You'll save 20% off of each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. And you get to use that whenever you shop. I hope you enjoyed this look at the super cute bob called Ashby from Paula Young. I just want to thank you all for being here, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and be sure to press that notification bell so that you're alerted when I upload new videos. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.